Hi, it's Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. So I'm going to do a colour challenge today. So it's for Blog Hop, the Ink Stamp Share Blog Hop, and we were given these 5 colours: soft succulent, soft sea foam, petal pink, polished pink, and rich raspberry. Now we have to use at least 3 of them. We can of course use basic white and black as well. I thought I'd use all 5, and I thought I'd do something really simple stamping with textures and frames. Not much time left to get this free, but I do love this stamp set. So £45 order and you get this free. There's no sentiments in it, so I'm going to use Thank You from Sweet Ice Cream. I love the font in this. I thought I could do a birthday card, but I've got loads and I actually need a thank you card, so I'm going to do a thank you card. So I've got everything mounted ready, so I'm just going to get my card base done. So I've got a bit of thick, this is still Whisper White actually, I've still got a pack left, so I haven't moved on to the basic white yet of this. So I'm just going to cut 2 down in one go. So I go there to 4 1/8 and I score it down, and then I lose my score off the track. There we go. And then I cut it in half there at 5 7/8, and that gives me 2 card bases with minimal effort. So there we go. I need to clear that track actually because it's getting a bit fluffy. Then I use the top there to butt it up so that I get a nice clean edge. I'll do the same to that. And I've got 2 ready to use. If you do get little fluffy edges, a little emery board will sort it out, or if you're like me, I've got a nice sanding block, so just a little run along and it takes the fluffy bits off, and then you're sorted. I probably need to change a blade, but there we go, all done. Put that over there, ready for another card. So what I thought I'd do is I've got the inside circle and the outside circle, and I thought I'd do the dark and the light. So I'd do a light on the inside and the dark on the outside, because we've got 2 shades of green and 2 shades of pink. And then I've got the splodges, and I thought I might splodge with a bit of rich raspberry, or I might just do the sentiment with a bit of raspberry. I thought I'd go along the middle section of the card. I'm not quite sure how many will fit along. I might get 4 actually, so I might alternate them and do dark in the middle, light in the middle, etc. So I'm thinking now, I was thinking let's go for something really simple, and now I'm thinking I might need a little bit of thought about it. I could use a post-it note, or I could use washi tape to I just really need to have a straight line to guide me. Could draw a pencil line. Why not I draw a pencil line? Why don't I take a leaf out of my friend Jill's book? Right, so gonna go along that line there, do a very light pencil line along there. Don't need one at the top, I'm going to follow that line, so just the one. Jill sent me those pencils actually to use. Right, so we'll go should I go for the middle point? The middle point-ish there. Go one side of the middle point. Like so. And then I'm going to do, I think, the dark pink. Oh, actually, I need to do the outside first so I know where the outside ring is. So we'll do that on the outside. Excuse my head. There we go. Not spot on. I don't think it necessarily matters. So actually I can do, no, I need to do the pink now. So now we're going to do a dark pink next to it, but it needs cleaning first. So just do a quick clean up. Super. And then I'm going to put the light pink on the outside. Did that one a bit better. Can't really see that one very well. And then I'm going to do a light pink. Need to clean my stamp and scrub. So then we'll have a light pink here. And a dark pink around the outside. And then we need a dark green on the inside and a light green on the outside. And that's not worked out quite how I wanted it. So I've got 2 lights on that side, 2 darks on that side. Not quite how I wanted it, but that's what we've done. So I've got a feeling this isn't going to show up very much. There. And then I'm going to bring in rich raspberry. I'm just going to clean those off a bit. And I'm going to do my thank you down here. Managed to get a big ink up there. Oh well. And then what I might do is do dark and a light. Splodge. Just a simple little card. For the colour challenge, just a little bit of something fun. There is the square ones, so I could do it again, but this time using the square ones. So that's my 2 cards finished, and all I need to do is rub out the pencil lines. And that's them done. So what do you think? A little bit of simple stamping, playing with colour, squares and circles. Which do you like best? I think that works better than the circles. And then just a little bit of stamping on the inside, which I'm quite liking. So there they are. And so I'm just thinking of adding some score lines, because if you are a beginner crafter and haven't got much stuff, you will probably have a trimmer of some description. Mind you, might not have a trimmer that scores, but if you're thinking of buying a trimmer, then this is one of the best trimmers I've ever used. And I think I'm going to go 2 score lines above. So just to add a little bit of something extra to give it a bit of a lift. So I'm going to do it on this one as well. I can see through there where I'm going to score, so that I can make sure it's not over where I stamped. And then we can go above. And like before, I'm going to do 2 lines above, so I'm just moving it ever so slightly. Get me 2 lines above. So that's just adding a little bit of something extra simply to the card. So yeah, hope you like that. Something quick and simple. Celebration ends at the end of the month, so that's not long left to get this stamp set free. The joining offer that's currently on also ends at the end of the month, so if you're thinking about joining, you haven't got long left. I will link to the blog down below, which will link to the blog hop as well, so you can go and see what everybody else has done with these colours. And also I'll link to everything that I've used, so you can go to my shop and purchase if you wish. Okay, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.